Hello with another amazing question, and that is what if we straight away run maximize conversion campaign for newly built website? Is it okay or need some data first? Okay, first of all, is that you can run. There is no restriction from Google side. The only downfall is that you are not going to get good conversions, good campaign setup, and for that, yeah, you answered in your own question that you need some data first. Yes, you need some data first to actually run maximize conversions to produce good results. So what you can do over here is to run maximize clicks for 2 to 3 weeks, install the conversion tracking, get some conversions. Google has got will get an idea on what kind of a conversions you are getting, what kind of audience is good for your campaigns, and then you can move on to maximize conversions, and Google will understand. Like you can see that on Facebook ad there is a lookalike audience. On the same formula, Google will understand and evaluate and expand your marketing strategy based on that data. So which is why I been saying that maximize conversion campaign isn't a good strategy at start. People doing it are actually doing wrong, and you need to change up your strategy, because maximize conversions campaign works well with old campaigns or where we have already a data. Ideally, preferably run for 4 weeks to the minimum, but yeah, you can run with 2 to 3 weeks as well. But in case if you ask me if you have a budget to spend on, go for the 4 week formula, and then you can see the best results with the conversions campaign. So I hope it answers your question, and thank you for watching, and bye bye, and make sure to subscribe to the channel as well. Thank you.